Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a compatible head unit and a recent iPhone iOS version. Once confirmed, plug a reliable Lightning to USB cable into the car. You'll start the connection on the car's display. Make sure to allow device permissions. Once done, open Google Maps or a supported app on your phone. The head unit negotiates projection. This step begins the handshake. It's quick because the car and phone exchange capabilities and request audio, notifications, and location access. Now select Android Auto or smartphone projection on the head unit. The car tries to mount the phone interface. You'll see permission prompts on your iPhone. Accept microphone, location, and Bluetooth access so voice and navigation work. If using wireless, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active on the phone, then pair the car. Once paired, the car automatically reconnects. This middle step configures audio routing, microphone input, and app icons, so make sure each permission is granted for full. Finish by testing audio and navigation voice prompts. Play a route on the head unit and confirm sound uses the car speakers. If things go wrong, restart the phone, replug the USB cable, or forget and repair the car in Bluetooth settings. This resets the handshake. Also make sure the car's firmware and your iPhone's iOS are updated, because many connection issues stem from mismatched software. If problems persist, try a different high-quality cable or consult the car manual for Android Auto mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.